Boyd with Highland Homes, the 60s Reserve. Pat, tell us a little bit about the product you have in this neighborhood.
Sure, we are so excited to be here at the Reserve 60s. We have 30 lots, so it's a sweet little community, and we just have 2 streets, Twin Oaks Court and Savannah Court. We have 18 lots left, Amanda. So we need to get people in and get them on contract fast.
I'm working on it.
Yes, but what's great with just the 2 streets, the only reason somebody's going to come into the community is to come home, or it'll be somebody visiting those homeowners. So it will really be a private community surrounded by a creek and trees.
I love the location of it. You're close to Texoma Medical Center, entertainment here in Denison, Texas. Tell us a little bit about what's around it.
Yeah, what's so wonderful is we are going to have trails that connect us to Texoma Health Foundation Park just up the street.
Okay.
And then we're also going to have connection into Katy Trails at some point, so we can go into Fort Worth or to Dallas by bike or hiking, which is going to be awesome. One of the things that I get a lot of out-of-town buyers loving is how close we are to Sherman Town Center with all the shops and the restaurants nearby, in addition to Gateway Village shopping coming soon.
It seems like just the absolutely perfect location. And then you get inside. This kitchen is to die for.
Isn't it absolutely beautiful?
Yes.
We include a lot of standard items, and then you have a lot of room for personalization and customization as well. We also include 6 different granites in the kitchen, so a lot of people do go with our standard options. However, we have a lot of upgrades available as well.
I like choices.
Yes.
And these cabinets, this is the new trend, right?
Yes.
Different color lowers from uppers.
Yes.
Is this standard?
No,
Okay.
what's standard is going to be our 42-inch cabinets with wood doors. So the
Okay.
glass doors that you see would be the upgrades, or those little upper cabinets with the glass, those would also be an upgrade that's available. There's a lot of personalization and customization that you can do with our home. So when you go to our website, Amanda, it shows you our base floor plans, and then on the left we have a list of items that you can do to kind of customize it to what you really prefer.
And this sink.
Yes, and you're seeing our
We were
gorgeous
talking
farm
about this sink, yes.
Isn't that beautiful,
Yes,
Amanda?
you could bathe a baby in here.
You sure could, or your dogs, right?
Yes, or your dogs, yes.
But what's standard is a single bowl stainless steel sink, and then we have different sinks you can upgrade from there.
Well, let's look around and see what other options you have in this gorgeous model home.
That sounds great. Amanda, this is our master bedroom.
It's gorgeous.
Isn't it absolutely beautiful? And it
it
is so big. Now, this is one of our awesome master bedrooms, and we did include the option for the master bay window with this one, so it adds an extra 2 feet to the home, and as you can see, now you've got a little sitting area as well.
Great. Standard ceilings?
Yes, our ceilings are all 11 foot high in all of our 1-story plans. Also, our doors, instead of the typical 6 feet 8 inches, those are 8-foot doors throughout the home.
It just makes it feel so much taller.
It does.
With the high ceilings and the high doors.
And it's amazing how much furniture will actually fit in these bedrooms too.
This is a king-size bed, and you still have plenty of space in
Right.
here. I can't wait to see what the master bathroom looks like.
That sounds great, Amanda. I can't wait to show it to you.
Okay. Pat, this floor is amazing.
You know what? When I first saw it, I was blown away, Amanda. This is so beautiful with the brick look and then the awesome tile on the walls behind this freestanding tub. What do you think about this awesome freestanding tub?
I am a bath person, so I appreciate a good deep bathtub where you can have a nice soak. But this walk-in shower is a true walk-in shower. Like there's 4 people could fit in there.
There you go. And you know, we have so many different options for you to personalize our baths. So this is an upgrade with the freestanding tub. What comes standard with it is a garden tub. It's a little bit shallower, and then it also includes the shower. But you can upgrade to a spa shower plus, so you get that true spa experience. And you walk in, you have 2 shower heads, you have a rain shower, and then you have a shower wand.
I would definitely need a tankless hot water heater for that.
You would need 2 for that.
You know,
Yes.
right?
So we have included the tankless hot water heaters as a standard feature, but if you upgrade to the spa shower, then you're going to need an additional one, but that's included in the pricing for it.
Part of the spa shower package.
Yes.
Double vanities, awesome mirrors.
Yes.
Let's go take a look at the rest of that.
Sounds good.
What is this room?
What is so awesome with the options you have available, Amanda, is you have 2 locations. You can put an entertainment room. So you have a second living area, but I have to say the men claim it a lot for their man cave.
Yes, I could see that being like media room, man cave.
Yes, yes. So you can have it in this location, but let's say you don't want all that noise coming from the man cave. You have another option to put it over on the other side of the home where bedroom 4 and bath 3 is. And then it's even a little bit bigger.
Exciting.
So lots of options for you with our different floor plans.
Flex space to the max.
Yes, absolutely.
Let's keep going.
Okay.
Pat, I love a floor plan that has an office option, especially with as many people that are working from home now.
Yes, we're hearing that a lot. And if they need 2 offices, some of our plans will give you 2 office locations as well.
I love the options you guys have inside the house. Office, flex space, the open living area. I want to see the outside.
Wonderful. It's beautiful too.
Let's go. Pat, what a gorgeous patio. What a way to end your day every day.
Absolutely. Or even start your morning with a cup of coffee.
Yes.
This is just so awesome. We offer all of our plans with extended patio options, and then we can actually extend it from there if you want to do one like this beautiful patio.
This is great with the fire feature, plenty of extra seating, the fencing. Are there sprinklers?
Yes, we include sprinklers all around the home.
Okay.
Of course, the sodding, but we also put a tree in the front and a tree in the back in this community, and we include shrubs and some flowers in the front.
I could just picture myself sitting here with friends and family, cooking out, just having a wonderful time.
Great. And Amanda, don't you love that it backs up to all these trees?
Yes.
So most of the lots we have available now still back up to the trees with the creek behind it, so there'll never be a home behind these homes.
Bonus.
Total privacy.
Total privacy,
Yes.
yet still 2 minutes from Highway 75.
Yes. Beauty and convenience all wrapped in one awesome bundle here at the Reserve 60s.
Thank you so much for letting us visit your model home today, telling us all about the options and features that you have. If you'd like more information or a personal tour, I'd love to help. Amanda Phillips, Phillips Property Group. Have a good day.